Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and today I'm shooting a video of a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip to take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries, so if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. It's got an 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. It does taper down to about 32 inches here of width where the ramp sets. It's got your 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. It's got the about 21 inches of room between those seats. We can add flip base seats that flip up on their sides. We can put in some narrow jump seats that allow more room between there. We can put a third row flip base seat in here that flips up and down. My point is, let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Headliner's in great shape. You got your rear air controls. We got the Q strengths thrown in at no additional charge. Many of our competitors are going to make you pay to upgrade to those, and they're not cheap. But we throw them in at no charge, so be sure you're comparing apples to apples when you do look at the competition. Got your Q-strength tie downs and warranty information there as well. Plug-ins for all your electronics. Dual climate control, rear air. Got your cup holders there for your drinks. Got your backup camera. Can sync up your phone to keep your eyes on the road. The dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. You got steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. And when you get everybody secured to come out, simply reverse the process. Super simple to do. Again, check it out. 1 finger. That's all it takes. Lift her up. Clamp her down, and you're ready for your next adventure. Now, our competition is going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. I mean, what do you expect them to say? I want you to ask them what their warranty is, though. A lot of them have no warranty. A lot of them have 1 year, 12,000 miles. A lot of them have a 3 year, 36,000 miles. Well, ours is 3 years, unlimited miles. So you compare all those options, and you tell me who has the best built conversion. Pretty simple math, right? You got tinted windows. On the walk around of the van, it's very clean. You see a small, little slight touch-up paint on the van. The front tires are almost nearly brand new tires on it. The rear are about 8/32, so still a lot of tread left on them. So tires are good to go. It's got your bug guard up there to protect your paint. Overall, nice, clean van. And how we save you $10,000 per van, it's very simple. We have 1 centralized location. Imagine all the overhead for those big dealerships out there that have got 30, 40, 50, 100 of these wheelchair accessible van locations. Imagine the overhead. Imagine all the employees they have to pay. Imagine all the advertising. With our 1 location right here in the middle of the country, we can offer you free shipping because nothing is too far away from us. 1,200 miles about every direction. Little door ding there, tiny door ding, tiny scratch there. But my point is, it's very simple math. I know if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, and I get that, trust me. But it's very simple math. If we have 1 location, low overhead, we can do free shipping, free Carfax reports. That's how we beat the competition by $10,000 per van. So be sure to check us out. You'll be glad you did. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. What a lot of scammers are doing, and scammers mainly on Facebook Marketplace. Folks, Facebook Marketplace is a cesspool of scammers. But they'll take pictures off my website. They'll remove it. They'll crop out the sign up there. And they'll try to sell this van. They'll say $15,000, and they want a $1,000 deposit to hold it. Well, what they're trying to get you to do is send them $1,000. And once you do, you're never going to hear from them again. So I did notice a little door ding about the size of my fingernail right there by the gas tank. Those are hard to get out right there. We do have a PDR guy, but he couldn't get to that one. So nice, clean van. Hope you can tell in my videos I'm shooting you straight. But what you say to them, hey, whatever your name is, like me, I'm Jeremiah Coleman. I own Mobility 316. And here's the video of this van, the VIN number. That way you know I got it here with me. So they couldn't do that. Come on, camera, focus for me. There we go. They couldn't do that because they don't own these vans. They're simply trying to scam. Protect yourself. Make sure you get a video of that VIN number with their name in it. All right, what we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles, you can see 2 owners, regular oil changes, does show minor damage. I'm going to show that to you as we scroll down. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a 2 owners clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no open recall. So as we scroll down, you can see this vehicle has been maintained meticulously. Look at all this service on this van. It does show in 2020, so over 4 years ago, had minor damage. Says to the front, minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. So I'm not opposed to buy a vehicle that's had a bumper painted or a fender replaced, you know, minor bump. That appears what this vehicle had, so, and 4 years ago. But as you scroll down, again, you can see, gosh dang, tons and tons of service done on this van. Very well taken care of. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their ratings and reviews. Look at us on eBay. Been doing it business on eBay since 2004. 1,552 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left me positive feedback. That's 100%. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. First of all, make sure they're a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time. They tell me how they bought from a private individual or one of these low-end dealers. You know, someone they knew nothing about. They end up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, there are private individuals out there selling stolen vehicles. It's more common than you think. Or they end up with a van that had a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues. So, you know, if you want 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences and vans, go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years now, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. It does have the 1 key fob. It does show trunk hatch, remote start, power doors. That is not accurate. This does not have those options. Simply has keyless entry. So someone got the wrong key made. It still functions just fine. A little bit of false advertising there, but I'm shooting you straight. It does not have those options. As I open the van inside, black cloth interior, very clean. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And like I mentioned, I think I mentioned on the 1 key, if you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we can sure do so. Very clean seats in the back. Just like to give you a little different perspective for those of you that may not be real familiar with these vans. And when I go to start the van, you can see just 53,797 miles. Fires right up. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. Yeah, radio works just fine. Got our backup camera there, works great. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've checked all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you those moving right now so you can see that they work. We checked all the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Check the tires, replace fluids as necessary, taking these vans on a road test. My point is, and I'm sure you can tell by our videos, maybe show you the back vents back there, but we're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot and say, ah, forget it, it's their problem to deal with now. No, they go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. It may have had a leak at one point right there, but you can see that's dry as all get out. So that's all cleaned up right there. So I've been taken care of. You can see no signs of water damage, no frame damage from an accident. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, just because it only had 53,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a major accident or a flood. And that's the absolute most dangerous thing you can do. I tell you what, folks, their brand new car dealerships get flooded, you know, especially this time of year when there's lots of floods. The water doesn't care if it's a 20-year-old vehicle. The water doesn't care if it's brand new. It will flood. There's a handful of brand new vehicles that had floods out there. So my point is, no matter who you do business with, go check out my competition. I welcome it. Whether it's a private individual or another dealer, but I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm getting a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage? So you can see no frame damage under here, no signs of any flood damage. And do they get up on an overpass and take pictures of the roof? You know how many vehicles I see at auction that have a damaged roof, whether it be from hail damage or some of the taller vehicles that they hit a roof of a low hanging clearance? Nobody looks at the roof. Well, I can tell you what, There's one person that looks at the roof. It's me. I get on a little overpass down here. See that ledge going up there? I crawl on top of it. I get a picture of every single one of my vehicle's roofs, so you know exactly what you're getting. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition and tell me what ends up happening if you end up getting a van that's got you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual, or you get a van that you can't won't pass inspection in your state because it's got frame damage from an accident or a flood. In both those cases, if it won't pass inspection, you can't get a title. Well, you can't register it. If you can't register it, you can't drive it. You just bought a van you can't even drive. So to avoid that and so many more pitfalls, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of my videos. Folks, you're not buying an $80 handbag off the internet. This is a major purchase. Make sure you get a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Carfax do cost me thousands of dollars a month, but I do that because they are the best out there at showing the vehicle's history. I demand the best. You should too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Put a little work in. Find out who's on the other end of that phone or the computer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty because we stand behind our products. So here I am getting a video of the roof as well. So let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noise. Pop it up to 70 miles an hour here. Good acceleration, engine strong, shifts smoothly, runs and drives very nice down the highway. Now, do keep in mind we have a 90-day complimentary warranty at no additional charge to you. We do sell long-term warranties that are, factory type. They go from anywhere from 90 days all the way out to 8 years. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print: $500 administrative fee. They got document fees. They got tag fees. They got freight. You name it, they made up a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. At the direct line to text or call, get a hold of us on the cell phone. To be honest, text is the easiest way to get a hold of us. This phone just goes crazy all day, every day. So, but you can always call us if you need to, but text is definitely the fastest way to get in touch with us. And I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, is that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that super aggressive, annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish. And I promise you, absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone or give us a text. We can get in touch with you and take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And if you would ever like to come in to see some of our inventory, we welcome that, but you 100% must make an appointment. We stay busy every second of the day. We've got 4 different locations where we keep vans. We've got to get them all together. It takes a lot of organization to get what you need all in one spot, but we can do that. Make an appointment with us, okay? We value your time. We respect your time. Please do the same for us so we can help get you in, get you out, and get you on with your day. If you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but again, I know it's a major purchase, so we try to be as detailed as possible. If you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every van, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.